Hi, good morning dear students and parents. This is your maths teacher Siddesh sir from Oxford Convent School, Anekand. Dear students, so in this video class, let us discuss about factorization exercise number 6.2. So in last video class, we discussed some identities. Do you think? Remember once again in your mind. So which are the basically mainly three identities. So once again you recall that three identity. First identity is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square answer is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square answer a square minus 2ab plus b square. And third one identity a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we discussed the three important identities in last video class. And also we solved some problems, worked examples on the basis of three identities. Now in this video class we are going to discuss exercise number 6.2. So in this exercise, what are the sums are given in this exercise, how to solve the given sums and details we discuss in this video class. Okay. Dear students, so we are going to first problem, exercise first main, exercise 6.2 first main, factorize the following expressions. First one, a square plus 8a, a square plus 8a plus 16. Dear students, listen very carefully. How to factorize this equation? A square plus 8a plus 16. Dear students, here we have three terms. A square, one term, 8a, second term, 16, third term. So totally here having three terms. Then you observe the second term means middle term. This is 8a, right? 8a. So how to factor? How to raise the factors for 8? 8. So what are the factors for 8? 4 2s are 8, right? 4 2s are 8. So now this middle term is split out. A square plus 2 into 4 into a plus what are the square root of 16? 4 means 4 square, right? 4 4s are 16. So therefore what is the square root of 16? Our answer is 4. So that's why we can return 4 square. Right? So once again I return shuffle a square plus 2 into a into 4 plus 4 square. Then you compare the identity. Compare the identity. Which identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, right? Then you compare, say a plus a 2, a plus a, b plus 4, b 4. Then what is its identity? So therefore a square plus 8a means 2 into a into 4 plus 4 square is equal to what is the in place of a? What is in place of b? 4. So a plus 4 whole square. A plus 4 whole square. Or a plus 4 into a plus 4. A plus 4 into a plus 4. Finally, we can return a square plus 2 into a into 4. 4 to the 8. 8 into a, 8a plus 4 square value 16. So a square plus 8a plus 16 is equal to its factors is what? A plus 4 and a plus 4. Do you understand? So these types of sums you already solved in previous video class. Now we further sums we discuss in this video class. Once again we listen carefully. This is given the equation, quadratic equation, a square plus 8a plus 16, a square plus, then split out the middle term 8a. Factors of 8 is what? 4 to the 8, 2 into 4 into a plus 4 square, square root of 16, square root of 16, 4 square. Then a square plus 2 into a into 4 plus 4 square. This is I am shuffle writing. So compare this one with identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes, do you know this identity? Is the answer a plus b whole square. Then we compare with both. In place of a, in place of 2, place of a, place of b 4. That's all. So a plus b whole square means what? A plus 4 whole square. Then a plus 4 whole square, that means it is twice time. So therefore you write twice. A plus 4 into a plus 4. That's all. These are the two factors of this one. You understand? Okay. Shall we go to next one? Okay. So next one, p square minus 10p. P square minus 10p plus 25. Same. P square minus 10p plus 25. Dear students, it is also same. P square, just split out the middle term 10. Factors of 10 are 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10. So therefore you write 2 into 5 into p plus 25, square root of 25, 5 square. So therefore again you write shuffle p square minus 2 into p into 5 plus 5 square. Right? Then you compare with identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then what is the place of a? P. What is the place of b? 5. So therefore a square minus 2ab plus b square identity is what? A minus b whole square. So therefore p square minus 2 into 5 into p, 2 into 5 into p plus 5 square. Answer is what? In place of p, sorry, a p, in place of b 5, p minus 5 whole square. P minus 5 whole square, or p minus 5 into p minus 5. P minus 5 into p minus 5. These are the two factors of p square minus 10p plus 25. Understand? So, like this is problem on the basis of second identity. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. By using this identity, we factorize given equation t square plus 20 plus 25. Then finally we get the two factors. Which are the two factors? P minus 5 into P minus 5. Okay. Do you understand, dear children? Okay. Shall we move next one? 25m square plus 30m plus 9. So this is little bit complicated sums, dear students, compared with the previous sums, because this are 25 you raise to power 2, means you write the x in exponential form. 25 5 square m square plus 30m plus 9. So 5 square m square is nothing but what? 5m whole square. 5m whole square. 5 square m square we can written like this, right? Plus 30m plus 9. So again you split out the middle term. 5m square plus 5m square plus 30m means 5 6 are 30 or 2 into 3 or 2 into 5 into 3, 2 into 5 into 3 or 2 into 15, right? ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 30 ನ 30 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು 30 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 5 6 30, right? 5 6 30. So again this 6 ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ 6 ಅನ್ನ 2 into 3 2 into 3 2 into 3 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So here 5 into m 5 2 into 5 into 3 or 5 3m into 3 plus 3 square, sorry 9 square root 3 square 5m 5 2 10 10 3 30m. So now we compare with identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in place of 2 place of a 5m, place of b 3 square. So therefore is equal to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Now you write instead of a 5m whole square plus 2 into instead of a 5m into instead of b 3 plus instead of b again b 3 square is equal to instead of a 5m plus instead of b 3 whole square. That's all. Yes, it means 5m square 5m whole square plus 5 2 10 10 3 30 30m plus 3 square 9 is equal to 5m plus 3 into 5m plus 3. These are the two factors of this equation 25m square plus 30m plus 9. Understand? So once again you listen carefully. 25m square plus 30m plus 9. So this 25 means raised to exponential form 5 square m square plus 30m plus 9. So 5 square m square is nothing but 5m whole square plus 30m plus 9. Now you split out the middle term 30m. So 30m factors is 5 6 30. Again 6 2 into 3. Now you write the factors of 30 5 2 3 5 2 3, right? 2 into 5m into 3 plus 3 square because square root of 9 3 square. Now it is compared with the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. So when you compare this identity with the a square plus 2ab plus b square, then you write instead of a 5m 2, instead of a 5m, instead of b 3, instead of again b 3 square, right? So is equal to 5m plus 3 whole square. Means it is twice of 5m plus 3 square, then you write 2 times 5m plus 3 and 5m plus 3. So these are the two factors of 25m square plus 30m plus 9. Understand, dear students? So like this we have to solve with any given sums, right? So I hope you understand these types of identity. Next we go into second main. I show the 1 or 2 problems in second main. Do you understand? Okay. Factorize 4p square plus 9q square. See, this problem on the basis of third identity 4p square plus 9q square. Dear students, here we have one complication, that is here square root or square number is raised in exponential form. Example 4 exponential form 2 square p square minus 3 9 exponential form 3 square q square. So therefore 2p whole square minus 3q whole square. So therefore this is in form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square identity a plus b into a minus b. So therefore instead of a 2p whole square minus instead of b 3q whole square is equal to 2p plus 3q into 2p minus 3q. That's all. These are the two factors of 4p square minus 9q square. Understand? So once again you listen. 4p square minus 9q square, 2p whole square minus 3q whole square, because exponential form of 4 2 square, exponential form of 9 3 square, right? So 2 square p square is nothing but 2p whole square, 3 square q square is nothing but 3q whole square. This is in form of identity a square minus b square. This answer is a plus b into a minus b. Now you compare the two identity with the equation 2p whole square instead of a 2p instead of b 3q, right, is equal to instead of a 2p b 3q, again a 2p minus instead of b 3q. So 2p plus 3q into 2p minus 3q, these are the two factors of the identity equation 4p square minus 9q square. Understand, dear students? I hope you understand this third identity. Okay, so now let us see one more problem. 49x square minus 36. See, do it yourself this one. 49x square minus 36, 49 exponential form 7 square x square minus 36 square. So 7 square x square is nothing but 7x whole square minus 6 square. This is a form identity a square minus b square. So therefore a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 7x whole square minus 6 square is equal to 7x plus 6 into 7x minus 6. So 7x plus 6 and 7x minus 6 are the two factors of 49x square minus 36. So dear students, I have to solve some problems in second main exercise 6.2, second main also. So in first main and in second main, remaining sums you take homework and do it yourself. Which any problems is complicated, you please send through your Einstein WhatsApp group. I will solve one, send through again, come your back in WhatsApp group. Okay. So if I hope you understand all those problems in exercise 6.2 first and second main, right? So in these problems remaining sums you take homework. Okay. Thank you, dear students.